is good and nice and cook and curry. Just keep it easy and nice. Don't stress yourself too much. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. It's nice. Still have a little bit of flavor upon the same way. I just show me that have me give it a nice little color. You know what I mean? Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Alright. So you guys can see why Chef Ricardo is in the kitchen cooking up a storm sometime. Yeah man, is to make everyone happy. Now you can also do this. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this too. Yeah. So we got sweet potato right here. This is a sweet potato. Okay. All right. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pour some hot water. I don't have to use so much hot water. I don't know why I'm putting so much, to be honest with you. You don't need so much. Alright? I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. You don't need that many hot water. I don't know why. Alright. Anyway, it's fine. We're going to cover it. We're not gonna use any salt out of these. We're just gonna show you how you can do this thing. Alright, now let's put this one over here, and this can go on cook in the meantime. Over here, so I got this bigger pot, which I'm going to be doing some cabbage in it. Something different this evening with you guys. Because I might have say, oh, Chef Ricardo can't cook. Chef Ricardo can't do this. Chef Ricardo can't do that. No. Yes. Alright, we'll big up yourself. Blessing. Thank you so much. Yeah, man. Alright. Let's put that right there. Show you something this evening. Alright. Another pot. Alright, so we put in the carrot. Yeah, come right back over here. Right. Medium size white onion. Alright, that's the white onion. Right. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. This is tomato. Right. This is spring onion, mixed peppers. Alright. Look at that. sir. You need this. Yeah. About 3 kilograms. That amount of it. Perfect. That's the garlic right here. Yeah. That start. I can't cook like this. It doesn't hard. Alright. Come on, it doesn't hard, guys. Yeah, man. Need some Scotch bonnet and all that. Alright. See how that look? Chef Ricardo Cooking. Here it is. Jamaican fresh thyme. Down in a pot. Give too much trouble. Yes, that's delicious. Look at this. Cabbage. And wash off it. Nice. Yeah. Black pepper. This is some stir-fried cabbage. Stir-fried cabbage. Give him a stir. You know? Stir him up. Yeah. Stir it up and stir him up. And stir him up till you can't stir no more. Yeah, man. A good vibes. Little bit of season. I'll get a little bit of flavor. Alright. Little bit of paprika. Yeah. Excellent. All right, now cover it up. Make it go and steam down for a little bit. Good vibes. Yeah. See that? Simple little dinner, you know. Very, very simple and nice. Look at that. Cabbage. Let's try this. A little bit of sea salt. This is the pink one. This is the pink sea salt. So this right here. So we're gonna take this off of the stove now. We're gonna take this off of the fire. Now this is done. Now this is not cow foot, you know, or oxtail, or cabbage. Breaking news. The good thing is that there's a 50% off of the book right now. I don't know if you guys can see exactly what's going on. All right, yeah, man. Get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's on Amazon. And this day, meat-free Monday. All right. Then we have some. We'll call this one steamed cabbage. Alright, meat-free Monday today, guys. Some people are eating their leftover from yesterday, but we don't have any, so you know, we have to do some meat-free Monday meal. Cold vibes. Look at that. See that? You understand? Yeah. So when you're cooking, just make sure everything spotless in that 2024. All right, yeah, man. See, just gonna just make sure everything